sulfur dioxide, oxides of nitrogen and carbon monoxide. Sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides react with water in the atmosphere to form acid rain. Irritates the eyes and lungs. High levels of these gases leads to inflammation of the lungs. Sulfur dioxide gas is released primarily from the combustion of fossil fuels, smelting of sulfide ores, volcanic emissions, etc. Nitrogen oxides occur naturally and by man's activities. In nature, they are a result of bacterial processes, etc. The primary source of man-made nitrogen oxides is from the burning of fossil fuels. When inhaled, carbon monoxide combines with the oxygen in our blood to form carboxyhemoglobin. Once combined, that hemoglobin is no longer available for transporting oxygen. Carbon monoxide is a byproduct of incomplete combustion. Common causes of carbon monoxide production can be from gas or oil appliances that are not working properly. Sulfur dioxide can be removed from waste gases after combustion of fuel and power stations. Sulfur dioxide is treated with powdered limestone to form calcium sulfate. This process is called desulfurization. Oxides of nitrogen can be removed by catalytic converters. To reduce air pollution, most exhaust systems of cars are fitted with catalytic converters, which reduces oxides of nitrogen to nitrogen. Use electric cars instead of battery-powered cars to reduce exhaust gas emissions. Carbon monoxide can be removed by catalytic converters. To reduce air pollution, most exhaust systems of cars are fitted with catalytic converters where carbon monoxide is oxidized to carbon dioxide. Use materials such as lightweight alloys to make car bodies instead of steel, as lesser fuel is needed to power lighter car bodies. Thank you.